Transferring money from Bankmobile VIBE to the Cash App is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed on your phone. Then enter your login credentials or use biometric authentication if enabled. Now, look for the transfers option within the app. It might be located on the main menu or tucked under payments or manage accounts. If you haven't already, choose the option to add an external account. Find Cash App from the list of available institutions or search for it manually. Now provide your Cash App account details, including your routing number and account number. You can find these details within the Cash App itself under the Banking tab. Bankmobile might send a verification code to your Cash App or phone number linked to the Cash App account. Enter the code to complete the linking process. Once the account is linked, choose Transfer and select your Bankmobile VIBE account as the sending account and your Cash App account as the receiving account. Specify the amount you want to transfer and review the details before confirming the transaction. The money should be transferred to your Cash App within minutes, although it might take up to 1 to 2 business days in some cases. You will receive a notification in both the Bankmobile app and Cash App once the transfer is complete.